guessed it, another Space Jam sneaker review. Let's get it. Cartier Jones
on the soundtrack.
Yes, sir. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thank you for checking me out. Space Jam's out, man. Killed Black Widow for #1 movie of the week. It's okay movie, man. Today we are reviewing the Space Jam A New Legacy Converse. Now, with this channel, y'all know I'm like 92% hype beast. So we really don't do Converse too much. I've done the Fair Guard Essential Converse. I've done these, the Como de Garçon joints. But we really don't do Converse too much. So today we're gonna do the Toon Squad Converse Space Jam joints. In my opinion, very dope. It's just me. I don't really wear Converse. I don't like the feel. But let's get into it. Boom. Here go your Toon Squad Space Jam Converse. Now, usually I would say if you've seen one Converse, you've seen them all. But that does not particularly go to this situation. So, starting with the toe box, it does look like your original Converse. Have the patent leather toe box with your what would you call this? I forget, canvas material here. But as soon as you get to this part of the sneaker, this when things change. But as you get to the back, boom, this where the sneaker change a little bit. You have a large Chanel patch material Toon Squad logo there. And the Chanel material is beautiful. Reminds me of the Lila May joints a little bit. That reads Toon Squad. Come around here. Got a nice black stripe at the back that kind of puts, like, divides the orange and yellow Toon Squad colors in half. On your inside, you have a big, large Converse logo and that nice Toon Squad navy blue, as y'all can see there. And the Toon Squad colors just continue on the other side and the inside of the sneaker. It comes draped in your black shoestrings, but they do provide this beautiful blue. If y'all watch the channel, y'all know I love this blue. Anything come out in this blue, I just love it, man. And if you plan on rocking these, I think the blue shoestrings give you a better pop than the black, of course. You have your regular flimsy Converse original tongue. It's all black, no Toon Squad markings on it at all. And your inside reads Converse in that nice blue also. Around the sneaker, because I've seen this done in LA, a lot of people flip their Converse down. But around the sneaker has the Toons and LeBron in black and white. Try to get y'all to see some of that. You see LeBron there. Very dope look, man. Now, as far as the left shoe, it reads Toon Squad. But the right shoe has #6. And if you watched it, or even if you follow LeBron in his career, #6 is LeBron's number when he's not wearing 23. I think he wore 6 on the Heat, and this year he's switching back to 6 with the Lakers. So if you don't own a LeBron 23 jersey with the Lakers, you should go get it because next year he's winning 6. So this is the right shoe. Everything checks out to be the same besides the number 6 Chanel patch with a Daffy Duck's hand twirling a basketball. So you come around. Same thing as the left shoe. No difference there. I do see on the back of this tongue, it does read Chuck Taylor with a player's name. And that may be LeBron's signature. Let me check it out. It may be. I'm not sure whose signature this is. You know, it's Looney Tunes. They get a little crazy. That could be Daffy Duck's signature, being that Daffy Duck hand is here. In that comment section below, if you privy and you know, please let me know. And the inside of this is the same nice blue with the same LeBron sketches. The bottom, your regular Converse diamond look. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all in my first Toon Squad review sneaker, that was a while ago. Maybe the Wile E. Coyote versus Roadrunner joints. It's reported that they spent $1 billion in marketing for this sneaker. So I figured this is why you see a whole bunch of stuff like Funko Pops and Xbox controllers and Converse and Nike sneakers. They're going crazy, but Space Jam is supposed to be an all-time elite movie every time it drops. You know how Michael Jordan did his back in the day. I like them, man. It's definitely not your regular smegular Converse look. Definitely dope. Whole bunch of outfits to put with this. And speaking of outfits, the LeBron Toon Squad shorts came out with Nike, and I slept on them, and now they sold out, and now I can't get them. I'm sure they will restock. I'm hoping they will restock. But yeah, they're the same design as this, and it probably would have been a dope match also, man. So yeah, a little quick review on the Converse Toon Squad joints, man. In the comment section below, let me know if you was able to cop. I did see sizes restock on overseas websites. Converse did have a couple of sizes depending on your size if you're looking into these, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking out, man. Hella appreciate it. Everybody, get rich.